So, fucking airplane. I just did a really good video on picking this number 3 on the revolver here, and right at the end, the fucking phone runs out of memory. You know, go figure. It was actually really good. Would have made a decent video, and kind of pissed me off. So now I'm stuck on number 4 because I done picked it and locked it up again. And well, I'm gonna try this again. I deleted a bunch of shit off my phone, and I don't know what's in this one. I don't remember how I pinned this up with number 4. I'm thinking there's mushroom pins in 4. Is what I think. I can't remember. It's been a long time. So I'm gonna try to rake a false set, maybe, and there's a false set. Bam. Okay. Flip my pick around and see what the hell I can't find in this thing, because I really have no clue. A little click out of 4. Oh, come on. Nothing on 2. I think I overset it. Oh, there it is. Sometimes that backwards rake works when you get stuck and loosen up tension, and then just yank her out. Yeah, take it how you want. But right there, it's open. I'm pretty sure them were mushroom pins. They didn't feel quite like spools, but yeah. Lock it back up.